Want to connect to APIs and parse JSON right inside PowerShell? In this video, I'll show you how to use PowerShell 7 to call REST APIs and handle JSON data. Perfect for sysadmins, devs, and ethical hackers. Modern IT tasks often involve APIs, pulling data from web services, checking cloud status, automating alerts. PowerShell 7 makes this easy with Invoke-RestMethod and ConvertFrom-Json. Let's use a real API to demonstrate. Invoke-RestMethod sends a web request and automatically parses the JSON response into objects. Here we hit an example API that gives us user data, then format it into a readable table. If you want full control, use Invoke-WebRequest and manually decode the JSON using ConvertFrom-Json. This is useful when dealing with nested structures or handling response headers. JSON often contains nested data. PowerShell lets you easily loop through it. Here we print each user's name and address using dot notation. Many APIs require authentication. Here, we send a POST request to log in using the ReqRes testing API. We format our payload as JSON with ConvertTo-Json and specify headers. PowerShell makes interacting with authenticated APIs straightforward. No external tools needed. Let's recap. Invoke-RestMethod is perfect for simple API calls that return JSON. ConvertFrom-Json gives you control over raw data. You can loop through structured data easily. And with method post and headers, you can handle modern API authentication. If this helped you level up your PowerShell skills, drop a like, subscribe,